Wadhwa, and today I've created this look. It's extremely simple. You can incorporate it in your daily life, or you can use it for your office look if you're into makeup that much and you do it every day. And minus few steps that I'm gonna tell you over the video, what steps you can deduct to easily do it for your office hurry mornings. So, and please ignore my background. I have just moved to a new place. If you're following me on Instagram, you know why I did it. If you are not, you can follow me there. I'm gonna put a description box. I'm gonna put a comment in the description. What is happening? I'm gonna put a link in the description box for you to follow me there to know quick updates, because I am extremely active on Instagram. So without further ado, let's get this party started. Ta-da!
Skin prep is extremely important before you do your makeup. So I'm prepping up my skin with Bobbi Brown face base. This is a thick moisturizer. You can use it as a primer, but I need more hydration, so I go ahead with Colorbar's primer Selfie oil. It's extremely hydrating. As you'll see, it gives me that juicy glow. And because I have pores issues, so I'm gonna blur that with Nykaa's Prep Me Up primer. If you are doing this step in a hurry, like in mornings or in office, you can skip the oil, but do not skip a good moisturizer and a primer if you need it to blur your pores. Now it's time for some makeup. So I'm starting with Maybelline Fit Me Concealer Caramel. I have skipped the orange corrector because I'm using a darker shade to cover the pigmented areas around my eyes. So after this, I will use my shade concealer, which is L'Oreal 312 Amber. This is to brighten up the areas that I have just covered. In case you want to skip this 2 concealer thingy, then what you can do is you can just use your shade. Your shade is must foundation to cover the whole face. Here, setting up my concealer with loose powder by K Beauty, shade Almond, my current favorite. I will be using Hook Me Up palette by Colorbar. The look is mainly into pinks, so I'm starting up with the 3rd shade from right and putting it all over my lid. Blending it with the 4th shade from right, which is a very nice soft pink peachy shade, and I'm blending all the harsh lines. Same steps on the other eye as well. Next, using Huda Beauty's Desert Dusk palette, starting with the shade Eden, which is a peach shade. I'll be putting it around my inner corner, half of my eyes basically, and I'll be highlighting the inner with the Twilight shade. So guys, you can skip this palette and you can use just the Hook Me Up palette if you are using for daily use, or you're in the office and you just want to have one palette. You can definitely go ahead with the Hook Me Up Colorbar palette. So I did the lower line with the amethyst color, which is a purplish shade. And now my another favorite pencil by K Beauty, Chestnut Brow Pencil. It's time to highlight my brow bone area and inner corner. I'm using Maybelline's Rose Gold highlighter. It's a beautiful highlighter and very affordable. Going back to my Huda Beauty palette and using the color Amethyst to enhance my crease area with a pencil brush by NYX Professional Makeup. Highlighting the the inner corner mode, basically the 1/3 part of the inner corner with the twilight shade again, using my fingers so that the payoff is more. Another great product by Colorbar. It's mocha brown colored kajal, which I'm gonna use as an eyeliner. I'm basically going to smudge it. It comes with a smudger, so you can use it anywhere you like. And I am making a wing by the K Beauty mocha eyeliner, a liquid liner. And the next is this beautiful mascara by Smashbox. Although I'll be putting up falsies, but I wanted to use the mascara first, and in this look I have skipped putting up the mascara on my lower lashes. A new product I've used in this video is this foundation by L'Oreal 24-Hour Infallible. It is a recent launch, very affordable and full coverage, as you can see. I think the shade was a little darker for my skin, but I can work it around because I'll be brightening up with my concealer, as you can see. It is 312 Amber, again by L'Oreal Infallible, the same range. Superb concealer, again full coverage. After a proper blend with a damp sponge, I am fixing my base with PAC's Micro Fixer. It's a really nice and affordable fix. Next is Benefit's Huda Bronzer, the cult favorite. And I'm going to use a flat brush to contour my nose very lightly here, and as I've done in my previous video, I'll be covering my upper bones, below cheeks basically, and around my face. So you can skip the bronzing part completely if you'd like. If you're in office, the same thing, you can skip bronzing, or you can do it extremely lightly, or you can use this as a blush if you don't want to go with that pinky shade. But I'm going with a pink, a warm pink basically, from Flower Beauty. It's warm hibiscus. It has a sheen to it, as you can see. So if you want, you can skip the highlighter if you're using this blush pot. Adding some more blush, and it is by L'Oreal from their new range. It is I think they Fierce number 11, very orangish shade. Now highlighting my high points of the face with Maybelline's Rose Gold highlighter. It's a very nice subtle highlighter that you can use it even if you have just done some base and haven't used much of blush or eyeshadows. For my current favorite nude shade by Maybelline, liquid lipstick, Barely Nude. Next is my falsies, that is by PAC, with PAC's Glue, and fixing up my makeup. And I forgot to put in some kajal. I'm putting this really light green shade by Colorbar. It's an all-rounder pencil. I'll put in the description box. And I'm ready. Hope you guys like it. If you do, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.